Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing low-fat milk. This reduces final paneer fat. Heat the milk to 85-90 degrees C and hold briefly. This helps solids separate cleanly. Once the temperature is reached, add 2 tablespoons lemon juice or 1 tablespoon vinegar slowly while stirring. You'll see curds form. Make sure to stop stirring as curds separate, then strain through a fine cloth. Pressing begins immediately. You want compact curds, not dry chalk, so press with moderate weight for 15-20 minutes. Once you have the curd packet, wrap it tightly in cheesecloth and gently squeeze out excess whey. Do this over a bowl to capture liquid. Then place on a flat surface and apply 1 2-kilogram weight. This produces a dense, low-moisture paneer that stores better and feels less fatty. Make sure to press for 20-30 minutes. Longer gives firmer blocks. After pressing, rinse briefly under cold water to neutralize residual acid, and let it cool to room temperature before slicing or storing. You finish by unwrapping and patting the paneer dry. Cut only after it cools to keep shape. For fat loss goals, season with a pinch of salt or fresh herbs rather than oil. Avoid oily marinades. Store in an airtight container and refrigerate for 3-5 days or freeze in portions. If your paneer is crumbly, press it longer next time. If it tastes overly sour, rinse the curds more thoroughly and use slightly less acid. These simple tweaks fix texture and flavor fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.